You've asked, so we're answering. Here are the top 8 questions we get about approach tours. It wouldn't be all-inclusive without flights. That's why we include flights from Toronto Pearson Airport to your destination and back home. We can also fly you to Toronto from Vancouver, Calgary, Ottawa, or Montreal for only $100 per person additional. Not in one of those cities? No problem. We can arrange fixed-price flights for you from Winnipeg, Edmonton, and a number of other cities across Canada. Our travelers prefer to join our tours in the fall and spring because it is the best time to catch the nice weather of summer, but also avoid all the crowds that come with summer travel. The exact best time of the year varies by destination, so reach out to your sales and traveler champion and they can help you plan your tour. They'll tell you what animal life is like in South Africa in March or the Portuguese wine harvest is like in September. Included in your tour is $5 million of emergency medical travel insurance, underwritten by Manulife, that regardless of your age is there for medical bills if you slip and fall or become ill while on tour. If you want to be extra secure, we can also offer you a quote for trip cancellation and interruption insurance to protect your tour fare if an unexpected event prevents you from joining your tour last minute or means you have to say farewell to your tour group a little early. This one is easy. Yes. When you sign up, our all-inclusive tour fares include all relevant taxes and fees here in Canada and at your destination. This even includes those pesky hotel and airport taxes. We like to keep it intimate, so our maximum group size for any tour is 30 travelers. Better yet, we often send tours with less than 30 travelers, with our average group having only 22 folks on board. Of course, we love solo travelers. Don't be nervous. With the help of our group guru, many people join us as solos and become lifelong friends with the other solos and couples in their tour group. If you prefer to have your own room, you can book a solo room and pay the single supplement. Prefer to save a bit of money? Sign up for our roommate pairing program and we'll introduce you to your new best friend. We believe food is a big part of the experience, and we want everybody to be included in that. For that reason, we will work with you to accommodate your dietary restrictions as best as possible, including gluten and nut allergies and vegetarian and vegan diets. We work with all the major airlines to provide included flights for our travelers. There are limits to what requests we can honor with the airlines, but ask and we will be happy to help in any way that we can. If our flights don't meet your needs, good news. You can also purchase your tour without flights, saving money, and arrange your own flights that best meet your needs. The right destination will leave its mark on you, but the right experience has the power to change your life. We believe that the way we travel is just as important as where we travel to, and our promise to you is we will stop at nothing to ensure you have the absolute best experience. Welcome to a new approach.